Chai Discovery, an AI drug startup, just raised $400 million, valuing the company at roughly $3.8 billion. That news dropped Tuesday, sending a clear signal that investors are still hungry for AI-powered solutions in drug discovery, even as big, general-purpose models dominate headlines. The round was led by Index Ventures, with Kleiner Perkins, Sequoia Capital, and Dimension also contributing. In addition to those heavyweights, Bain Capital Ventures, Thrive Capital, OpenAI itself, and Yosemite, the firm founded by Reed Jobs, the son of the late Apple co-founder Steve Jobs, also pitched in. The $400 million injection bumps Chai's valuation to about $3.8 billion. Nina Akajian, a partner at Index, said in an interview that "I believe that life sciences is going to be one of the most consequential and biggest impact applications of AI." Her words capture why capital is flowing into specialized AI platforms that can help design novel medicines. Chai isn't the only player making waves. Google's biotech spin-off Isomorphic Labs has raised $2.7 billion since March 2025. Isomorphic's approach is more of a traditional biotech company that uses its own discoveries, while Chai offers what the founders describe as a more open-ended infrastructure for pharma companies. "We work with some of the top pharma companies to help them make the transition from pre-A to I. Companies to post-A to I. Companies," said Jack Dent, the company's founder and president, during a recent interview. Founded, Root, in 2024 by former Stripe engineer Jack Dent together with Joshua Meyer, a former OpenAI early employee, the venture began as a niche platform for speaking DNA and ELCA protein through AI models. Meyer, who later spent time at Meta and the biotech firm Absci, teamed with Dent and two other Harvard classmates, Matthew McPartland and Jacques Boiterod, to create the company with a focus on antibody design. Chai's current flagship AI, dubbed Chai 2, is advertised as a tool that can design potential therapeutic antibodies from scratch. Excitingly, their newer model, Chai 3, has already produced antibodies that, in early tests, appear to be more effective. The company has already drawn the interest of major pharmaceutical giants. Eli Lilly has partnered with Chai, and more recently, the startup announced a collaboration with Novartis. These relationships give Chai credibility and access to the resources needed to translate AI-generated candidates into real treatments. If you're following the broader trend of AI in pharma, this represents the next chapter. While the conversation is often focused on large, general-purpose AI tools that can generate text or improve research efficiency, specialized AI for drug discovery can speed chemical synthesis, predict side effects, and even propose entirely new molecules that were never seen before. The $400 million that Chai secured shows investors trust that this approach will start delivering tangible, profitable outcomes. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned to hear more about how AI is reshaping the pharmaceutical landscape. I'm your host, and until next time, keep believing in science and the power of data.